Hello, in this video I want to show you how to adjust notifications for the EA app. And to do this, we'll need to open up the settings, so there's two ways to access them. First is to click on these three lines and pop up the settings. The other is to click on your profile and also click on this gear icon. Then navigate to the application. Right here, make sure that the notifications are enabled. And to adjust them, simply click on this pop-up and change whatever you want. There's also when in game and when not in game. You can use a custom, and that way you'll be able to adjust it even more. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.